Hello, just want to let you know that the shutter has yet to return. However, you can almost feel that the transmission shutter wants to return, but it just doesn't. If that makes any sense, that's all I got for you. We're coming up on 5 weeks tomorrow since I added the Instant Shudder Fixx to this transmission, and the shutter problem with it was way out of control before I put it in. This is no fluke. This stuff really works, but it's a Band-Aid. It is not the be-all end-all solution to the problem. I am still gonna have to go drain the transmission, put new fluid in it, and see what happens from there. I haven't really been driving the vehicle all that much, but I'm making it a point to go out on a daily basis and run errands with it. I do have some work with it here and there, but it's just not super busy because of everything that's going on in this world right now. But either way, the shutter has yet to return. I probably won't be doing any more of these reports unless there is a significant change. So unless something noteworthy happens, this will conclude the videos about the Instant Shudder Fixx. I think 4 videos is enough, so this is gonna do it. But yeah, I'm on the highway right now. If I get on the accelerator like I'm doing right now and just step on it, there's no shutter whatsoever. I don't know if you can hear the engine right now, but I just stepped on it. I just took it up to 90 miles per hour, no issues. So this stuff is real, it works. If you're having some issues and you have nothing to lose, like myself, then I highly recommend that you give it a try. It may work, it may not work. I've had some people write, and I do appreciate you guys leaving comments, by the way. Like if something's not working or things do work, let me know. I would love to hear your success stories with it, or if the story is not about success, I'd like to know that too, because you know, we're all in this together. Other than that, take care, stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video.